Yeah, there's nothing you can do. I don't care if you call me brand new, whatever.
It's Thai tunes on the track.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This was very weird, I'm not even going to lie, but if I have the courage to put my second vlog, this would be my third vlog, but if I don't, this is my second vlog, so let's take it as it is. And you are welcome to my channel. My name is Akia. I'm going to eat very soon, and I'm really nervous about vlogging because I feel like I'm mostly indoors and I don't really go out so much. If I go out, I'm probably going to my friend's house, which is like 10 minutes away from me, or another friend who's like another 10 minutes away from me. So I don't really go out much, and so I feel like consistent vlogging is going to be pretty much boring, but this is something I'm trying out, and so please support your girl. If you think what I'm doing is trash and it's not interesting, tell me ways and means I can do that. But if you feel like I should just stick to what I was known for, which is like beauty lifestyle, like hair and makeup, yeah, I think you should just follow my TikTok channel and my IG for that. So I got a package from Jumia. I bought it, they didn't give it to me. I bought some stuff from Jumia and it finally came like after a month. And there's another one. Yeah, this one I already opened it. So let me just do a quick unboxing. Then I'm going to eat. And then today's agenda is to work on some wigs that I have. And then I think how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I'm washing 4 wigs, and then if I have the energy, I'm going to arrange my workroom. I want to make some changes and take out some stuff. See if I can sell the machine as well. So that means I have to take it out and then have the person come and look at it, take pictures. If it's viable and I can sell something and make some money out of it, I'll take that. So it's create some space, and then I'll just change the dynamics of the workroom just to give it a little change, because it's been like the same for like 2 years, and I feel like unconsciously I don't really have like the love of a home feeling for this place. So I've kind of like let things go for a long time, because for someone like me, typically I like to switch things up. Like maybe in a year, in 6 months, I'll add a painting, I'll do this, I'll do that. But it's like I've been in limbo in this place for like 2 years, and it's actually 2.5 years if we're counting now, and it still doesn't feel it doesn't feel that I want to. It doesn't feel like I'm home. It doesn't feel that way, and I think that is saying a lot to me. But that's by the way. I'm going to unbox the stuff, but I'll just unbox it with you after I finish eating because I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna just eat, then hopefully I get the energy to do the home arrangement stuff, because guys, my workroom is messy. I'll show you my workroom in a bit. And because from last week I've really been working back to back, and even from Monday to yesterday I've been working and I've been doing installs and makeup and all that. So I feel like when I do things continuously, I should give myself like a 1-day rest, and then I'll continue again, because it tends to weigh on me when I don't have. Right now there isn't pressure on me to finish what I have to do. It's there, but I can finish it within my own time frame. There's no pressure, but I still kind of want to do it because I also need to create content for my business page as well. But also there's no pressure because I have content that I haven't edited. So yeah, I'm just yapping a lot, but that's it guys. I'll show you my wig. I'm even embarrassed for myself, but I'll still show it to you so that if I'm able to get the energy to work, fine. But if I don't get the energy to work today, I don't think I'll put myself into too much pressure. I'd rather do editing on my phone so that I still feel like I've been productive in working, even though I'm not like literally doing work with like hard work, like physical work. If it's still editing stuff and then scheduling and posting content for my business page, I still feel like I've been productive to an extent, and I won't be so hard on myself. And if in the evening, I normally get my energy levels in the evening, so if my energy levels pick up in the evening, then yes, I can work on the hair stuff so that it won't be like a total 50% day for me. That's how my mind works. I'll see you guys later. So if you don't hear from me again for the rest of the day, I'm just going to show you the stuff I bought from Jumia. Probably do a voiceover over it, and then, or maybe just a simple write-up, because I think it's pretty much obvious. So yes. Guys, it is, so the lights came back around 4, so basically my phone was almost dead. I was able to do some vlog editing, which I'm pretty sure I did. I was able to record. I couldn't even finish. Okay, so I couldn't finish recording the vlog that I was editing because the phone died. So that was it. So the lights came on around. Oh, sorry. The lights came on around 4-ish. So when it came on, I decided to eat, like cook my indomie and eat. And after that, I'm not charging the phone because I was charging this particular one that I was filming with as well. So I basically have not rested, neither have I done anything productive. Well, I was recording the vlog, but then the other things that I decided to do today, I didn't do it. I'm pretty sure I might do something, but definitely not to arrange a room at this time. Well, you never know, but I'm not going to. I feel like really exhausted still because I still have not rested. So I already opened this one. So this particular one, okay, I think it's really going to be like a good thing, and I love the fact that it's in a case. So this is it. It's a selfie mirror thing, so that like the way I'm recording and I'm using my back camera, if I'm using the mirror, so this is the mirror, this is how it looks. The film is still on it. This is how it looks without the film on. I think it's pretty cool. I love it already. And I like the fact that they added a cleaner and a wipe to it. Okay, so this is basically it. When you're done, you just keep it back in your case and then you close it. I think I got it for a sale price of 60 something cedis. I'm not sure, but if anyone is also interested in purchasing this, you can let me know and I'll post it in the description video. Like if you comment about wanting it, and I'll just add it to my description link after I upload the vlog, obviously. So the second one, so I bought two things. I'm pretty sure this is the car holder, because those were the like the last things. Okay, it's a very ugly way to open a package. Nice. I have lunch. I've ruined the packaging. That's a very bad unboxing. God, what I've done. Okay, so this is basically how it works. I bought this one in particular, so this is it. This is how it looks. So you see where your dashboard is, like right in front of the steering wheel. Yes, so you put it there And then I think it's really conducive for the fact that, you know, when you're driving and you need the map, the ones that I've had previously, it's either the suction one that you suction in the mirror or you put it in the AC vents. And it was honestly not working for me. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, nah, this is good. So the instruction is to clip this at the base of the car. So this is just gonna just go in like this, you know, where the dashboard is. Probably when I fix it in my car, I'll just show you a video, or maybe I'll insert a video at the side if I'm able to, like, you know, do it. So I'm trying to figure out how to the instruction says, it's an instruction yeah. So Charlie, I don't know how. So I'm good with these things. So technically you should so this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so I think it's pretty much easy. This is not something I should even be worried about. So this is it. Okay. Of course I've gotten it. What did you expect? Yeah. Are you for real? No, make it make sense, because I'm supposed to no, because I'm a smart girl. Okay, me and technical things, we work well together. So you can tell me. I've got it, guys. I've got it. So this is it. Oh, I think I have to loosen it a little bit. It's a bit too tight. Yeah, but tightened it too much. Okay, yeah. So now it's flexible, you know. Let me just try and I'm tightening it instead. Hey, if ready. What am I doing? So I've got it. Okay, so if you want it to, like, not move, this is it. But so you fix it in so yeah. So if this is the dashboard, if this is the dashboard, you fix it in like that. And then if you want it portrait like this, you want it landscape. So when I fix in the car, I'll just show you. So basically this is what I got, guys. This is it. And it's a good buy. Let me know if you guys would love like me reviewing stuff that I buy off of Jumia, like on here, like adding it to my vlogs or something, you know, because I feel like people don't really review stuff properly on Jumia. Like if you want a proper review, you don't get it. Like the way if you want a Shein dress, you would go to Shein and, like, you know, you watch people's Shein hauls and then they give reviews of clothes and stuff. You don't really get that on stuff that you buy on Jumia, but that's a by the way thing. I do buy from Jumia occasionally. Okay, sometimes in a period of time I do purchase quite a number of things. So it depends on the money that I have available with me and my budget for that month or period. So we have this, and we have our magnifying glass thing. I like it. I really like it. So that's a good thing. Ooh. Oh, okay. So yeah, I can see myself here. So I think it's pretty much helpful. Like now I'll be tempted to be looking here. That's it, you know. So I think it's pretty helpful when, like, pretty helpful when you purchase these minor things. They come in handy. So yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to do the other stuff I'm supposed to do, but I'll see you guys when I see you. I'd have preferred the black one, but so yeah, I removed the film, so just look at it. See? See? So you just stick it behind your phone, and whilst you're recording, you can see yourself. I think it's cute. I think it's a really innovative thing. I was seeing ridiculous prices of 300 CDs and stuff. I think I saw it on someone's TikTok, and that's what made me come to Jumia to check. And I was seeing ridiculous prices, but on Jumia, when you have patience and you keep scrolling, you might get a good price. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good night. Hi guys, so can you imagine? It's actually, what's the time? Is 4:11, and so I was able to work on 4 weeks as I planned. There was actually an extra one that I was supposed to do, but I'll finish it up when I get home if I'm not too tired. It's not a pressing need. But I'm supposed to go out with my friend. I'm actually in her car now, and she had to pick me up in a rush. She had to make a detour to the bank, so we're supposed to do some window shopping around Oka. No, not Oka, Kaitia or Kitia. I don't know how you pronounce it, but Kaitia and Furniture GH. I haven't been to Furniture GH before, but Kaitia, yes, I've been there like I think twice or so. So we're going to do some window shopping and check out some prices, and yes, so I'm going to take you guys along when we move towards that side. But today I'm a passenger princess. She's gone to the bank. She's not in yet. It's probably gonna take like another couple of 15 minutes. She's been gone for like 20 minutes already. You know how these banks are, they just waste your time, and they've closed too, and she's inside. So yeah, I literally had to dress in the car. Like I found some lip gloss and some lotion in her car, and I forgot to even use deodorant, so I use a perfume and everything. So and I'm actually hungry, guys. I just had cornflakes in the morning, and I just took like a half kind of mold that I just finished right now. So I'm hungry, and I'm gonna wait for her. So when we get there, I'll take you guys along. So I'll see you later, guys. So I'm still here. She was actually hungry. She came out because like the hunger is much. There's a fly in the car. Physically step out. Okay, so I had to go and get Yami and Shofi. I even got some for her because she's also starving and she's hungry. So I finally fulfilled my craving of yam for today, one way or the other. Forgot to get water. So it's tasty.